Mr. Senior during the promenade night, Charms and Dazzles, school year 2024 to 2025, section Superstar in the Mr. and Miss United Nations, school year 2024 to 2025, serve as Supreme Student Government President. For school year 2024 to 2025, won several awards in various academic, literary, and music competitions, including PISA and others. First place in Mathematics Quiz B, grade 12 level. First place in the Science Quiz B, grade 12 level. First place in the Spelling Bee, grade 12 level. Champion in the overall Spelling Bee. First place in the Solo Saying Contest. Second place in the Spelling Bee, Prisa Amin. Second place in Volleyball Boys, Prisa Amin. Third place in Mobile Legends Tournament, Prisa Amin. Recognized as Best in Research Presentation with their study title, The Efficiency of Hydrogen Peroxide 3% Solution and Orange Peel Extract Solution as stain removers on white cotton-based fabric. Also awarded the following academic distinctions: Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in Communication Arts, Best in Contemporary Arts, and Best in Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics with highest honors. Once again, Jasper Harvey M. Almoneda. Mikhail Nicolas and Baarde, a loyalty awardee, also recognized as Best in Research Presentation with their study title, The Efficiency of Hydrogen Peroxide 3% Solution and Orange Peel Extract Solution as stain removers on white cotton-based fabric. Recipient of the third place award in the Mobile Legends Tournament during the PISA Amin with